Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can bass boost in CapCut. So here, what you need to do is import your video and an audio, but here I'm going to use the audio from the video. So I'm going to extract the audio first. Okay, and now go to where you want to start bass boost. So I'm going to start here. Split the audio, then duplicate the second part. So you can use this trick like I did here, and just drag it to the bottom and align it with the first one, and you can just duplicate it for 3 or 4 times. Okay, so I've already duplicated 3 times, and you can just hear the result. So it will have a different feel, and it will have like a boost effect like that. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.